Enabling two-factor authentication on your DAZN account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section of the Apple website. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy settings. This section will contain options related to account security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable it, which may include selecting your preferred method of receiving codes such as via SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your choice by entering a code sent to your chosen method. Once confirmed, save your changes to ensure two-factor authentication is active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your DAZN account and protect your viewing experience.